Hey everybody, it's Robert Brazil, Fish Bob, over here at 20 Mile River, catching some hooligans. Catch them all over the place. Using the big net. Alrighty guys, there's Susie. She's gonna be the camera lady today. She's gonna also be putting the fish in the bucket. Alrighty guys, let's catch some fish. Bigger. Going down, I think. But I'm catching some every time. Yeah, I can sit down, so I like that. I don't get stuck in the mud.
Who?
We're still standing stuck. When we get stuck up.
Today is May 8th. Two 2:13, sorry.
I used to put my net in the water, set it down for a second to come here. Did that earlier. I was just walking down and one swim in.
Low tide. When do you want me to cut it? Okay. see any floats over there. There's nothing in the net. It's not raining, it's not sunny, just cloudy.
It's funny how sometimes you feel there's not nothing in the net. Sometimes you feel nothing.
It's starting to slow down. Ooh. Oh, the sun's starting to pop out. That's a nice view. There's other people.
Then it got to be every pool was fish. Then it got to be about 2 or 3, 4 fish at a time. Now it's about
I tried to use that net, and I was like, ugh, so it's a struggle. It's a workout.
more fishing. It's not.
I don't know how these people can do it.
But a lot of times they get pushed out to sea too, so it only lasts for so long.
I remember 2 years ago we only used a 3-foot net, and Robert didn't catch any, and he was like, that's it, I'm done. And then I decided to take over for him, and we caught a bucket full, which is pretty nice. But this net is different.
Been quite a workout.
I know.
Flies and the birds.
It's a nice workout for you.
Other than the tire
Other than
just saying, when you're not working, you're still working.
that.
But it's work and you're fishing, you're not doing work. I'm not doing it.
Go up in here, it's about 7 o'clock. Yeah.
How many minutes is it?
12.
Cut it now. Alright, that'll conclude the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. This is Fish Bob Robertson Show. Stay tuned.